Shark attacks are a rare occurrence in the world, but they do happen. They are most likely to happen in warmer waters, where sharks can sense prey from miles away. A shark attack is when a shark bites a person and takes a chunk of flesh out. Most of the time, these attacks are not fatal. In fact, that's only happened 4 times since 2012. However, there have been more than 100 people killed by sharks since 2000. Shark attacks can be prevented by avoiding swimming at dusk or dawn when many sharks feed, and using protective items such as diving gear and surfboard leashes if you're near the water's surface or in deep water. The most common types of shark attacks are bites from tiger sharks, bites from bull sharks, bites from great white sharks, bites from mako sharks. There are many ways to avoid a shark attack. The best way to avoid a shark attack is to not get in the water. If you can't do that, then you need to stay out of the water at dusk and dawn when sharks are most active. You should also stay away from areas where people have been fishing or dumping garbage. You should also stay close to shore and never swim alone. The best way to protect yourself from a shark attack is to not be in the water. But if you are, then you should stay away from areas where sharks may congregate and stay out of their way. Sharks are attracted to blood, so if you see one, don't bleed or make any sudden movements that might attract them. If you liked this video, please click on like and subscribe. Until next time, take care.